me, switched it up, who 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 on and on and on again. Started up, it's not
Please.
Defenders, y'all are trash. Can't lie. I mean, this is,
Trust me, I
that
know.
will probably what
But before I
Icon
go,
say with
I just
it,
want to
you
get
know?
this off my chest. That shit was not my fault. Y'all are trash. And I mean this from the bottom of my heart. Y'all are trash.
Rin,
What's
you're trying to
that?
bring him out. That's disgusting. Ew,
What's
ew,
that, brother?
Ew, what's that? It's really disgusting. To beat
Man,
Rin.
shut your bitch ass up, nigga. Nobody asked you that a
Man.
bitch ass thing. You better shut the fuck up.
20? Yeah. But that's basic, I think. Yeah, I can't remember. And now, the series of events. The chains that unfold. I mean, look at Rin. Him himself, he broke himself because he didn't score the goal because he wants to be. We eat him. Look, the black cinema bar is literally on. That means you know we're gonna be eating. Itoshi's side, he's just a trash brother at this point. I mean, no, I know he's trying to awaken Rin, trying to get him of that mentality, but to hit your brother more, bro, got a Zenkai boost. This is not Dragon Ball. I mean, look at his tongue just hanging out like. I'm sorry, that was so cringe. Even his own brother was shocked that. Oh, wow, you still made that face? And if you've read Blue Lock's manga, you know what I mean. This is where things start to turn up. What is it? Sukuniverse Maharaga? Look, they changed the animation. This is Sukuniverse Maharaga in Blue Lock. Yeah. This is just basically Sukuniverse Maharaga in Blue Lock because of the animation style changing. But Brian edits, you should go like his edit and subscribe to him, guys. You should also subscribe to him. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment, you know. Also, guys, I want to say have a really blessed day, you know. God bless you guys, God keep you guys. I hope everything's doing well, you know. Hope everything's doing really well. And now back to the regular programming. Now we got Isigi with his Shido just talking about, yeah, we could have got, they couldn't have given up a goal, but say just gave him a full in-depth analysis on why it wouldn't have made sense. It would have still been a tie. They could have still gotten a goal off somehow, and that just shows you now how Say just has, it's so smart. The best arc of Blue Lock. This arc is just gonna be so amazing. I hope they animate it really well. I can't lie, because this animation needs to be peak for New Eagles League. Peak upon peak, but overall this video was episode was absolute cinema. I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction. You know, I want to really say God, thank you guys so much for the love and support. God bless you guys, God keep you, and I hope everything is really well. Peace out, love you guys, and God bless you guys. Have a great 2025. I'll try to post content a lot more often. You know, God bless you, God keep you guys, and have a great day. Peace.